Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. For this one I can put the limit goal here and here. So we consider about this one. When s approaches to positive infinity, number 1 divided by positive infinity, you got 0. So we have number 2 to the power of number 0 equals to number 1. Now we concentrate about this one. So we have the formula in here. E to the power of ln8 equals to capital 8. This one that is about capital A. Now we need to transform this one into this one. So we have like this. So we put the limit go in here. So we just find the limit of this one. Next, we have the second formula in here. So we have ln8 to the power of b equals to b ln a. So this one that is about capital A. This one that is about capital B. So we need to transform this one into this one. So we have like this. That is about s ln of 1 minus 1 over s. Next, I will put about s go to the denominator. So when s approaches to positive infinity, number 1 divided by positive infinity, you got 0. This one you got 0. ln number 1, we have number 0. So we have 0 over 0. So we can use about L'Hospital. That means we need to do first the derivative on numerator and denominator. So this one we have negative 1 over s square, 1 over s square over 1 minus 1 over s. This one we have negative 1 over s square. And now we need to simplify. So when s approaches to positive infinity, this one you got 0. And now we have negative number 1. So for this one, we have e to the power of negative number 1. So this one we put about e to the power of negative number 1. So we go back in here. And this one we have e. That is the end. Thank you for watching.